What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. I just want to say I love seeing the village grow. And I just want to give a shout out to two of our newest village members that decided to join the Brickolinis. First shout out is to Just Like That 555 or 555 or 555, however you say your name. Welcome. And the next Brickolini to join the village is Algie. I apologize if I am butchering y'all name. I promise I am not doing it on purpose. I appreciate y'all deciding to join the village. I hope y'all are enjoying yourself over here, because baby, over here we celebrate everything. Everything. It don't matter how big or small, you are welcome and greatly appreciated. And talk to me down in the comments. I love hearing from the people. That's you. You're the people. But we got a lot of stuff to do today because we got in a whole lot of packages from the mail room. So y'all know what that, welcome to another episode of My Life Unscripted with Zero Regrets. Cue the music. If this is your first time joining us here, please watch the video all the way through. It is greatly appreciated. And when you're done watching this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and go watch some more. Like, I have other videos on my channel. I'm very proud of, the schedule I've been keeping. And when you're done watching those videos, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can support me. And if you find yourself unable to get enough of me, don't forget that you can follow me on all my other social platforms. They'll be linked down in the description box below. And too proud to beg. Now that we have gotten all of that out of the way, we have this end table for the living room that came in the other day, and I attempted to start putting it together, but I did not finish. And I also got in the contact paper for the kitchen cabinets, the one that we started, but we couldn't finish because we ran out of contact paper. Shame on us. But let's go ahead and get into this end table, shall we? What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today is already a day, and it's only, it's 1:03, but I've been up and moving since 6, if that count for anything. With that being said, today in Raleigh, it rained hard this morning for like maybe 15, 30, maybe an hour. I don't know. I was out running errands. But either way, it rained hard, and I came to put roach traps inside my garage unit because when I went in there the other day, I saw one of those like flat, wide, I think it was a roach, it might have been a beetle, I don't know, I don't care. I went and got roach traps, and I went to go put it in my garage, and there was water in my garage. And if y'all can remember from the previous videos, I have like stuff in my garage. Like, I don't have my car in my garage. I have like actual like boxes and crates and electronics and my deep freezer. So with that being said, I ran into one of the maintenance men, and he was like, yeah, make sure that you go ahead and take a picture, you put in a work order, mark it as emergency, and we'll get on it as soon as we get back from our lunch break. Because that man was about to eat, and he was like, I'm not stopping my break for nobody, which I understand. But with that being said, the sun has came out, so hopefully they can get in there and get it fixed before it rains again. I did get the curtains and the curtain rods and like the rug. I ordered the rug for the living room. Oh my God, you guys, that rug is going to be so stinking cute. And I don't want to give it away because once I put it in and I actually like show y'all, y'all gonna be like, and just in case that's not the vibe, I also have another one on standby that is just so, it's gonna look so amazing. And I don't know if it's my application process or the actual wallpaper fault, but I'm starting to see like little bubbles in certain areas, and I'm having to go back and like re-smooth it out. And I don't think that's common. I don't think that's supposed to happen, but that is what has been occurring. Considering I didn't pay an arm and a leg for this wallpaper, I'm not going to complain, and it's only going to be up for a year. I don't know if like it's just me. I really don't think it's just me. I think it's all black people for real, but I ordered like a little, I don't know how to explain it. Hold on, just wait. It's just a little bag where like all your other bags can go. At my previous apartment, I had like all the bags in one bag stuffed away like in one of the cabinets. But here I was like, I mean, they make a bag for it that's, I mean, it ain't the sexiest thing on the market, but it'll get the job done. And it's not an eyesore. And it came with like a little hook piece, but I'm gonna use a command strip because we all know the command strips are easier to get up off your wall than these adhesive packages. With no spacer. I just told y'all that I put in a work order so that they can fix my garage because there's water in my garage. Well, it is pouring down. Like, y'all hear that? Yep. I put in the work order. They were at lunch. I don't know. I guess we'll just wait and see. Like, I have a table in my garage that I should have went ahead and put up and to get more of the stuff off the ground. I think that's just what I'm gonna do, like when it slow up again, until they can get in there and get it fixed. I did ask my brother-in-law to bring me a pallet when he come up here, but I think I'm gonna just like ask the maintenance man and ask around if somebody have a pallet to get my deep freezer up off the ground. So earlier I mentioned how the panel that we put in the entryway next to the grass wall was buckling, and I smoothed it down when I got to the house, but since I've been, you know, doing stuff here, doing stuff there, I noticed that it's starting to buckle again. Y'all see what I mean? So I'm just gonna go ahead and nail this down like I talked about doing before, because smoothing the other contact paper down here and there is one thing, but having to push this paneling down every day, because it's only been 24 hours, like, and it's already buckling. So I'm gonna go ahead and just nail off each corner, and I actually think that I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the edge of the wall. I just have to measure out how far it is, because I don't want to have to cut the paneling like halfway. I feel like that would be tacky, so I'll see. I'll let y'all know. Y'all, my sofa table finally came in. And it's so stinking cute, but it will be completely hidden behind the sofa. I got mine off TikTok Shop. It comes with 2 plugins on the top side, which comes in handy seeing as I have 2 outlets that I won't be able to use behind the sofa. So for one, I'm going to use the plugins on the sofa table, and then for the other, if I ever need it, I'll just do like I did at my other house, and I had a extension box that came and set on top of the sofa. If you have made it this far, thank you. I greatly appreciate you for watching this video all of the way through. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and go watch more of my videos. Like, this is a whole journey. And seeing as nothing has been cohesive, if you want to understand what's going on in this video, you're going to have to watch the previous videos. And if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can support me. And don't forget to hit that bell logo so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video, which will be on Thursdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. And if you find yourself unable to get enough of moi, you can follow me on all my other social platforms. They'll be linked down in the description box below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns pertaining to this video or any other video you have seen on my channel, leave your comments down in the comment box below. I love talking to the people. That's you. You're the people. And if you are new here, don't forget to let me know down in the comment section below so that you can possibly get your very own shout out in the next video. Well, I would like to say thank you for indulging in another episode of My Life Unscripted with Zero Regrets. Cue the music!